quite a small satellite. The lens is only like 17 inches, which is pretty small compared to like Hubble or James Webb, but it's very specific.
Day, as the UFO guy, we always have to at some point talk about
Always.
exoplanet exploration, unmasking alien atmospheres. This is on January 12th, a conversation. NASA's PANDORA telescope will study stars in detail to learn about exoplanets orbiting them.
What it's trying to do is basically stare at the stars that have transiting planets. And what they want to do is disentangle when we see a planet going in front of the star and the sort of light coming from the star going down, versus if the star has a sunspot and the sunspot has come this way, and now all of a sudden I'm just seeing less light because part of the star is dark. Right? It's very hard to disentangle the two, but if you just like stare at something for a long enough time, you'll have an averaged out version of what that star should look like, and then you'll have a much better idea of what the planet looks like when it goes in front of the star.
Yes.
You can disentangle those two aspects.
Yes.
It's only in charge of 20 planetary systems. It's got a year's worth of...
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's kind of like a pilot project in some sense, but not really, because, even 20, getting that understanding for just 20 at that precision is going to be vital for interpreting data from larger missions like the James Webb Space Telescope.
Yes.
You can use that understanding for how stars work and then now start applying it to when the James Webb looks at something, right?
Vera Rubin and the massive amount of data that's going to be there in combination with JWST and some of the instruments that are looking at exoplanet atmospheres.
Yeah.
Like there are data sets that have answers that we already have in our possession.
Yeah.
Some are proprietary, some are open source, whatever. But that once we find an unlock, all of a sudden makes these data sets incredibly valuable.
Yeah.
And this is sort of maybe a scout type of mission.
Yeah.
To be able to create some of that better understanding, to get rid of the baseline of the planet.
Exactly.
So we can better read. This story is out of the University of Arizona, led by Daniel Apai, NASA Goddard Space Flight Center and Ames Research Center, and the Lawrence Livermore National Lab and Cornell University.